What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Now in today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star. Buckle up. Now, my name is Liz Klebe. If you're new here, you should subscribe and turn on my bell for notifications so you do know when I upload. And give this video a big fat thumbs up, comment down below, tell me what you think, and follow all my social medias in the description below. So the first thing I got was this beautiful baby pink mirror. I will admit in real life it is a lot smaller than I thought, but it's still big. You can still see your face pretty well in it, and I do think it is a cute mirror, and I've wanted these for a while, so in videos I could use a mirror and not hold up an eyeshadow palette and have it piece out. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, I only got the Blue Blood palette and the Blue Blood liquid lip bundle. This is a tongue twister. That's the word I'm looking for, because I didn't really want any of the liquid frost. Liquid highlighters aren't my favorite. I really wish he released some powdered ones. I have two of his. I love them. They work great, but liquid products just aren't my favorite, aren't my cup of tea. So I didn't purchase any, but I purchased these two items, and that's what we're gonna be talking about today. Giving y'all the real tea. Is it actually good? I don't know. We're about to figure it out. So the Blue Blood palette, that is really weird to say. Blue Blood. It's really weird to say. So it came in this plastic thing. It's a lot flimsier and thinner than I thought it would be. I don't know. It's cute, but why? This is what the palette looks like. I think it's gorgeous. I love this little buckle on the front that you can go. I have an ASMR channel. We're not reviewing it anymore. We're just gonna do some ASMR today. JK. So here is the blood sugar right next to it. It's a little bit. It's a little bit more used, but very loved. It's actually one of my favorite palettes. I love how luxurious it feels. I love the pleather, vegan leather, pleather, fake leather on it. So this has two clasps. They're not as exciting as this one. Like, this one's a lot more exciting, and plus it's blue. These are just silver. And yeah, looks like this. I already reviewed it, so if you want to see this review, I will leave a card in the upper right hand corner. This is right, but my left. If you open Blue Blood,
You have to edit it and put the ha sound.
I will.
Okay.
I'm gonna use your voice.
No! Stop.
So,
You're like, ha ha ha!
So this is what it looks like. I think that is absolutely gorgeous. First shade we're gonna go into in the Blood Sugar palette is Minty, which is that shade right there. And we're gonna start off. You know what I mean? Oh, this has a lot of fallout. Well, no, kickback. This has a lot of kickback. Like, see? Like, see it? See all the kickback? Oh, I've just been taking mint tea and kind of putting it all over my crease. So here is mint tea, and mint, it's literally spelled like mint tea. Like, do you see it? So I've been saying mint tea, okay, on my eyes. I think it's pretty. I think it's a really pretty shade. It's just there's like a shit ton of like kickback. Okay, wait, here, hold up. Oh, no. We're gonna take the shade Flourishing. So Flourishing with Mint Tea is actually really pretty, and I think that they blend really beautifully together. And this one doesn't have nearly as much fallout, has barely any. Here is Mint Tea and Flourishing together, looking good, slaying the game. And I think that they look really pretty together. They blended really nice together, and honestly, I'm living for it. So the next shade we're gonna go into is Blue Monday, which is that shade right there. One thing that I noticed while blending out Blue Monday and using it, it's a little hard to blend compared to the other shades, but I still think it looks really pretty, and it's still like okay to work with, I guess. So now, the next shade we're gonna use is Cullinan. I think that's how you say it. Anyways, we're going into that shade right there with the diamond on it. We're actually gonna put that on my inner corner. Stop. Stop right there. No, seriously, stop right there. Girl. Girl. Next shade we're gonna be going into is Ice Tray right there. So now the next shade we are going to take is Entitled. And now for the center of my eyelid, we are going to be going to Ocean Eyes, which is that shade right there. So Ocean Eyes was really hard to work with because I didn't realize it was a straight glitter, and I put it over straight concealer. So note for next time to put it over some wet concealer. My lower lash line, we are going to use some Flourishing and then smoke it out with some Mint Tea. Ooh, I really like how this looks. Really living. Really living right now. Go put on some lashes, and then I'll be right back to play with the liquid lips. Okay, so I'm back from putting on the lashes. I think lashes just totally took this look to a whole new level. Like, yes, girl. I'm living. Now we are going to swatch the Blue Blood Liquid Lip Bundle. Has a crap ton of fingerprints on it, but it's fine. We are going to swatch all the liquid lips, and I think I'm gonna put on Titanic. That's what I'm gonna wear. So the first shade we have is Drug Lord. And this is very gorgeous and white. I think that she's really pretty. Now let's get the shade Ice Tray. So this is Ice Tray. This is the shade Blue Velvet. Oh, she's very pigmented, and she says hello. Like, hey girl. This shade is called Abused. This is a very dark purple to where it almost looks black. This is a cute like lilac purple called the Diamond. And the last shade is Medusa, which is this dark gray color. Then this is like gray. Here are all the liquid lips. Titanic says hello. How are ya? So I really want to do an ombre moment, and we are going to take the shade Jawbreaker and kind of blot it in, have a little fun. So I'm all done. I did my face, I did my lips, I put Cullinan as the highlighter, living. And yeah, this is a palette. I think that it's really pretty. I do think it will take me a couple more uses to really use it and see if it's good. From what I've used, it's a good palette. Is it the best palette he's ever put out, like shadow wise and how it works? No. Is it bad? No. Do I still love it? Yes, but it is not his best. I think that there is room for improvement in this palette, but yet again, nothing is perfect and there's always room for improvement, but I do think that it's still a nice palette. But yeah. The liquid lip bundle. I think that all the shades in here are gorgeous. I think that they're all really pretty. I really like the blues. I'm really excited to finally have Drug Lord because I've wanted this one for a long time. But I think that the inside is really pretty and I like these. And the mirror, I think it's great. I think it's really good for doing your makeup. Yet again, like I said, it is smaller in real life than I had thought. But it's a good, heavy-duty quality mirror. I think that it's pretty. And yeah, I will definitely be using it in my videos in the future. That's all I have. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on my bell for notifications. Follow all my social medias in the description below, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Love you guys.